Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on analytics tools with Google Analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by introducing Google Analytics as a powerful tool for tracking website performance. Explain its capability to provide insights into user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. Mention that using Google Analytics can help save costs compared to premium analytics tools. Begin by signing up for a Google Analytics account if you don't already have one. Visit the Google Analytics website and click on the Start for Free button. Fill in the required information such as website name, URL, and industry category. Select the appropriate time zone for your data reporting. Once you've created your account, add a property for your website. This property will generate a unique tracking ID that you need for data collection. Copy the tracking ID provided after creating the property. Next, integrate the Google Analytics tracking code into your website. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, add the tracking code in the theme settings or through a plugin. For custom websites, insert the tracking code into the HTML of every page you wish to track. Confirm successful integration by checking real-time reports in Google Analytics. Now, focus on setting up objectives to track conversions effectively. Define your goals based on user actions, like completing a purchase or filling out a contact form. Go to the admin panel and click on Goals under the View column. Select New Goal and follow the setup options that align with your business objectives. After setting up goals, monitor them regularly for insights into user conversions. Utilize Google Analytics audience segmentation to understand different user groups. Create segments based on demographics, interests, and behavior to refine your marketing strategies. Explore the acquisition reports to see where your traffic is coming from. Analyze which channels like social media, organic search, or referrals are most effective for your site. Dive into the behavior reports to understand how users interact with your website. Identify pages with high bounce rates and develop strategies to improve engagement. Use custom dashboards to streamline your analysis and focus on key metrics. Create dashboards tailored to your specific needs, highlighting traffic trends or conversion rates. Leverage the data from Google Analytics to make informed decisions regarding marketing campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.